Hello, today I'll be solving this minimum limit of balls in a bag daily Leetcode problem. Let me read this question. Okay, so here we have max operations 2. Divide the bag into 9 balls. With 9 balls to 2 boxes 6 and 3. Divide the bag 6 balls into 2 boxes with sizes 3 and 3. So your penalty is 3 and you should return 3. Okay, so what's the n? 10 to the power of 5. I guess the idea is to split the bag, like in this case. So intuitively, I understand that to minimize the penalty, I should split the bag with the most balls. But the question is, like, what value should I choose first? And second, I need to figure out the insert index, something like that. And if I'm gonna insert the random index, it's gonna be like every time like max operations 10 to the power of 9. Okay, I wanna guess what the number. Been thinking about this problem for 6 minutes. Interesting. I wanna guess what's the number of minimum penalty. Like what's the maximum number of balls in a bag I can afford. So let's say here I start guessing. So I want to minimize this number, yeah. So to reach this, like if I say okay, maximum is like 3, or like let's say I say maximum is 4. Can I reach it within like 2 or less operations? So I need to, for every here, I need to maximum, if maximum is 4, I gonna say okay, maximum is 4. It seems like there are two conditions, like one is maximum operations and the other one is so if I'm guessing the number of balls I should have in every bucket within the max operations limit. And say here, I say the number of balls in every bucket should be less or equals, let's say 4. Start with 4. So it means that I split the 9 by 4, and I'm gonna have like 2 I'm gonna have 2 ops. No, not 2 ops. Can I reach it with 2 ops to have a maximum 4? So if I split like with 2 operations with maximum 4, can I split it? No. So if I take, oh, I can split it basically. So I can take 9, I have 9 balls, 9. So if I split it, like if I take first time 4, I'm gonna have 4 and 5. And then I'm gonna take 5 and split it into 9. I'm gonna split 5 balls into 4 and 1. So I had those 2 split operations. The question is like I can definitely do that. The problem is with how I can add these max operations. I feel that it's like bounding on our upper limit. So like it's so I can always decrease the number of buckets and increase the penalty. But the problem is it's bounded from a lower level, it has lower bound of max operations. Okay, I got it. So I say, can I have, let's say I have, let's say we have, so I have 9 balls in a bucket. Ball graph 9. So I go like 4 minimum. And can I have a 4 minimum with max operations? Yes, equals 2. So so if I do that 9 by 4, gonna be 2, roughly 2 and something, 2 and 25. So it means that I need I need 2 splits here. So I do steal 2 and 25, and it's gonna be 3, and the number of splits it's like the steal 2.25 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 gonna be 2. It's like cutting sticks. If you have a stick and you do like 2 cuts and you'll have 3 parts. Let's say like if you have 3 parts, I need like two splits to make 3 parts out of 1. So in this case I can answer yes, but the problem is that it might be not minimal value, so I need to go again, try to two splits, like not 2, minimal split is equal to, divide 9 by 2, gonna be 4.5, sealed 4.5 gonna be 5, and then it means I need to have 4 splits. But I have actually max ops equals 2, so it doesn't work. So I move to the bound to the right, so it should be between 2 and 4. 4 was okay, 2 was not okay, so like I try 3. I divide 9 by 3, gonna be what, 3, and it means seal 3 equals 3, and it means 2 splits. Okay, and the difference between bad and good is 1, so I'm done. So that's it. So let me try to program this. So I'll do 4 int I equals time. 4 int I equals 0, I less than int n equals nums length I less than n I plus plus, and then I'll do first I do what I'll do. So I have like good, bad. Okay, bad equals 0, in good equals 10 to the power of what, 9. I wonder if I can somehow, if I order those numbers, will give me some benefit. Probably yes, because I'll be like checking bad numbers instead of like going to the like the maximum there. I'll be able to filter bad numbers earlier. So like let's solve it without it as of now, but then I'll do the one-off optimizations. So if I do good equals math power 10 to the power of 9, and then while good minus bad greater than 1, I'll do int m equals good minus bad over 2. Then I'm gonna go for int I equals 0, I less than nums I plus plus, and then I'll check car ops. Car ops 0. I'll check nums I over m, and then seal. How to do seal in Java? I don't know. Let's find it. How to do seal in Java? Math seal. Int 0 multiplied by nums I, and int car ops equals okay, and then if car ops greater than max, let's say then break, and then here if car is greater than max max ops, then it means that chosen it means that bad equals m, else good equals m, and then return good. Still returns what? Okay. Time limit exceeded, okay. Car ops plus equal. Time limit exceeded again. Interesting. Why? Let's check what's the current ops. Okay, so it shouldn't be. If this runs on. If okay, int parts if none m sake of this. Okay. Car ops gonna be okay. Here, fine. Car ops 1. Car ops okay 1. If car ops greater than max ops, then good goes and okay, let's check. System out println. Good. Good. That's bad. That's bad. Okay. Good 3. Oh, let's change the order. Okay. From 0 to this one, 0, 0, and then car ops 2, bad, good, bad 1, good 3, take in the middle. Oh! Okay, that was a mistake. Okay, so this is now what's timing? I spent on this task almost 30 minutes, and there were multiple runs until I figured out what the problem there. I messed up this formula a little bit, but so failure. But let me try to optimize it. So I'll have arrays sort nums, and then I'll have good nums, so never split nums okay, and -1, and then if I'm gonna go from n -1, oh, it doesn't even matter if I go from n minus, okay, yeah, from n minus 1 to the 0 and do n minus minus. Still bad. Interesting. I can probably do this without dealing with this module. Plus n equals 0, 1, 0. Better. Better, but it doesn't change anything. If I add all nums, then I'll lose the discrete nature of that. Okay, I'll give up. Let's check the solutions. She, algorithm, complexity. Okay, what do they offer? Let's check if this works. Like, I still do. Binary search. Find pause. If pause. Invalid. Thank you, home. No, it doesn't. Okay, let's check this one. Does it perform or not? It does. Is it just like that adjustment by 1? That adjustment will not work, yeah. So everything's the same as I was solving, like L, R, L as an R, mean is possible, possible. Left cannot be. What if I cannot change it like this? Still, so it says binary search algorithm requires mid. Then why algorithm is not passing? That's a big question. So like this one is outsourced. This is Leetcode. Oh. Maybe it's about caching, moving the variable to the oh. So instead of division, substitute it with subtraction. So like this one takes a lot of time. That's strange. No, he still does this. Division, he still does this division. Okay, if I cannot do this, maximum. Change it with subtraction. No. So changing one operation from module from two divisions to like from division plus mod division gave this performance boost. Interesting. I didn't know that it like impacts this way. What else says? Binary search, blah blah blah. Let's check accumulate between and okay, let's check that. Code C++. People are doing here. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap up. As I said, it's failure because I missed one important thing in binary search and was rerunning the program and kind of trying to debug it. And I managed to solve it like within like 30 minutes, within 29 minutes, but still there were a couple of errors, so it's failed today.